Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets plummet as COVID-19 cases spike anew. The major indexes saw heavy sell-offs as data from Johns Hopkins University showed that the average daily fresh cases in the U.S. rose to a record of 68,767 over the past week. Meanwhile, stimulus stocks were once again stalled. In our local markets rallied 9.9%, making it the best performing market in the world, with the index closing at 6,484. The market has now rallied 40% from the March low of 4,623 and as much as 61% from the intraday low of 4,039 on March 19. The market may retest the next major resistance of 6,600, although profit-taking may persist, brought about by the significant rally. Earnings season is underway, with BPI kicking off with its third quarter results. The 30 companies in the index are expected to report a 39% decline in earnings for fiscal year 2020. Converge made its debut yesterday, and we may likely see trades sway to the newly listed firm. In corporate news, BDO Unibank net income is at 12.3 billion pesos in the third quarter, 16.6 billion as of year-to-date September. Our view: BDO's net income fell 48% to 16.6 billion pesos by the ninth month of 2020, equivalent to only 60% of our fiscal year estimate of 27.7 billion. The decline in profits was due to upfront provisions booked in the second quarter in anticipation of potential delinquencies due to the impact of COVID-19. We are maintaining our buy rating on the company. Meanwhile, Manila Electric net income is down 15% year-to-date September. Our view: Mercor net income fell 15% to 15.7 billion pesos, slightly behind or equivalent to 73% of full-year consensus of 21.3 billion. Gross revenues declined 11% to 214 billion, despite a 3% increase in distribution revenues. Generation and other pass-through charges fell 15%. Management, however, believes the fourth quarter to be better than the past two quarters. Moreover, SM Prime Holdings net income is at 14.4 billion pesos. Our view: SMPH net income declined 48% to 14.4 billion pesos, equivalent to only 66% of fiscal year consensus estimate of 21.8 billion. Revenues declined 57% to 18.3 billion. Despite the weaker performance, its malls showed slight recovery as the government started to reopen more industries to help the economy going into the second half of 2020. SMPH has likewise implemented tighter spending during the period. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes.